you get a word problem here, and you have two things you're talking about, a washer and a dryer. So I want to do it this way live so you could see what my thinking was. So the very first thing I did was I set up the variables. You'll always see me doing that first right here. So I just went with W equals the washer, D equals the dryer, just because it helps my brain. You have to use W and D? Nope. You can use X and Y every time if that makes you feel better. I'm just going to go washer and dryer for W and D. Okay, so then I took the first line here. A washer and a dryer cost $5.56 combined. So combined always means add them together. So that's where I got washer plus dryer, W plus D equals $5.56. And then on the second one, that one's was a little more confusing. So I posted it over here. The washer costs $94 less than, and the clincher here is a less than the dryer. I know you know it means subtraction, but you know what? Whenever they use the term less than, that means you switch the terms around. So instead of going 94 minus D, you make it D minus 94. That's tricky, but if you remember, less than is reverse. Okay, and so that's where I got this line right here. Okay, so now what you basically have is you have a system of equations right here, right? So you can either do it by substitution or elimination. Those are your two basic ways most people do it. You could totally do elimination if you wanted to. I chose substitution because I saw on that second one that W equals D minus 94. So that's set up perfectly for substitution. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that D minus 94 and I am plugging that sucker in to the W up here. And that's where I got this line right here. So in place of the W is a D minus 94. That's why I put parentheses around it to show you I substituted. Now, do you need the parentheses? Absolutely not. You don't, because there's no number in front of W. If it had been like a 2W, I would have put 2 times D minus 94. Okay, so that's my equation substituted in. So then I just added my like terms. I had a D and another D. That gave me 2 Ds. Minus 94, I added 94 to both sides. That gave me 650, and then divided by 2 to get 325. So the dryer costs 325. The hardest part about this is setting up the equations. So just like if you set up the variables and then just take your time and think about on the subtraction, whenever it says less than, you're going to switch it around. You'll be able to do these every time. I hope this was helpful to you. Good luck with this.